I Waukin, oh, Waukin still and weary, sleep I can get none, for thinking, oh my dearie, simmers a pleasant time. Floors o' ilka colour, the water rins o'er the heugh, and I long for my true lover. I Waukin, oh, Waukin still and weary, sleep I can get none, for thinking, oh my dearie, when I sleep I dream, when I wake I'm merry, sleep I can get none, for thinking, oh my dearie, I Waukin, oh, Waukin still and weary, sleep I can get none, for thinking, oh my dearie, lately nicht comes on, the leave are sleeping, I think on my bonny lad, and I blear my een wi' greeting. I Waukin, oh, Waukin still and weary, sleep I can get none, for thinking, oh my dearie, I Waukin, oh. A song by Burns based on a 17th century song that he'd reworked. I read a commentary about it that said this was Burns' guide for unrequited insomniacs, which I thought was highly amusing. It's a late one, a 1790 song of Burns. Burns had already made several comments about he really didn't want to be seen to be rehashing old works, but it's universally believed that this is actually a good one, that he's made something really very beautiful and touching, quite simple, out of somebody who just can't sleep in the summer nights. They're up, they're weary, and probably what we can all think of at this time of year. I first came across this song probably in about 1978 or 1979 when the McCalmans sung it on their TV show. I remember being absolutely enraptured by it. They really caught that essence of just the wearisome and being up all night and not knowing where to put yourself. So I've known it for quite a long time. Most recently I took this on with a school party to Tartan Day Parade in New York, and we had a girls' choir sing a lovely arrangement of it then.